Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I apply my press-on nails, and these were handmade by me. I will be doing a giveaway, so I will leave all the details down below, and let me show you guys how I apply these beautiful nails I created. So first I start with the blank canvas. I'm going to get this wood stick and push back my cuticles. Make sure your hands are always clean before you apply your nails, and you want to remove any dead skin from around the nail bed just to avoid any lifting. So go ahead and push back the cuticles. So like I said, I will be doing a giveaway. This will be the first giveaway I do here in my channel. I'm so excited, and I can't wait for you guys to try out my new nails. I've been putting a lot of work into these nails, and I don't have the sets yet that I will be giving away, but I will let you guys know with another video with all the details and everything you guys need to know. So after you push back your cuticles, it's very important to buff your nails, and this also helps remove any dead skin that's left after pushing back the cuticles, and it just creates a rough surface for the nails to stick on even better. Like I said, if you don't want to have them for several days, you can just glue them right on, but if you don't want to skip this step, if you want the nails to last several days. I've had press-on nails for over a week, almost 2 weeks, so just don't skip this step if you want the nails to last several days. So now that our nails are buffed, we are gonna take our cotton pad and remove all the dust and prepare the nails for the glue that we're about to apply. And you want to go around the cuticle area just to make sure there's no dust left from the buffing. So now I will be taking my favorite glue from IPD and brushing on a little bit of glue, not a lot, because then it doesn't stick. So you want to apply very little and then just align it in the cuticle area and pretty much press it down. And that's all you have to do. As you guys can see, these look very natural. And I will be repeating the steps to every nail. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like to see more of my press-on sets that I will be creating for you guys. And go ahead and comment and let me know what you think of this set. So we are pretty much done putting on these nails. It is a fast process to apply these nails, and the result looks awesome. It looks like I went to the nail salon and got my nails done. I love these colors and the combination. Let me know what you guys think and what you would like to see for another set. And we are all done, guys. I love this set. I think it looks so natural and so beautiful. They even passed the tapping test. They are very secure, so no need to worry that they will pop off. Let me know what you guys think and what you want to see next. I look forward to doing more sets for you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.